Hi, welcome, Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing a cracked screen on a Lenovo Legion gaming laptop. As you can see that the left column, I have this disordered purplish color, and the impact of the screen damage is right in the center, as you can see, and kind of like disordered color here in the top right corner. So let's go ahead and get started. To get the screen replaced, let's press and hold the power button until the computer shuts off. First, we need to disconnect the battery by removing all the screws and the back cover. It looks like the computer has some missing screws on it, but you should be able to get a Phillips screwdriver and remove all the screws here. It looks like the screws at the bottom are a lot much shorter compared to the screws on the top and the middle screws. Okay, let's see if we can remove the back cover. I'll be starting off at the bottom corner side of it, where I can easily get right in. Here is the battery connector, which is connected to the motherboard. All you have to do is to slide down the connector towards itself, so towards the body, slide it down. And we just disconnected the battery. Now, just a quick glimpse at it. If you want to clean off your laptop, this is a good opportunity to do that. Right here, you can see that the fan is full of dust. What you can do is to get a toothbrush, brush it off a little bit, make the dust all unstuck, and then get a duster to blow it off with a duster and clean it off. All right, so let's focus on the screen. I'm going to open up the computer here. At this point, I'll be using the metal prying tool. I like to use this one. It's a lot more flexible and thinner compared to this. Is a lot harder. What I'm doing right now is to separate the bezel. Okay, once the bezel is removed, let's take a look here. As you can see that the little adhesive, double-sided adhesive tape is sticking out here on the top right corner. Well, it looks like the screen has been replaced in the past. It might not be the original screen because I don't think this is the right double-sided adhesive tape. It should be like something like black, where you can pull it, and when you stretch it, it should be like white looking thing. I could be wrong in this process, but for now I am going to gently separate them. And again, the screen has no screw that's holding it down. It is the double-sided adhesive tape. Okay, it definitely has been replaced in the past before. Doesn't seem to be an original adhesive tape here, but you should be able to find something that run along the side of the laptop here. It's more like a stretchable tape. I don't have a sample to show it to you, but it's a tape that it tapes on, and you need to pull the tape off in order to get to the computer. Once you have done that process, the next step is to again, I just want to point it out too, on this part you can definitely see that the 40-pin connector was already be peeled once. Got a plastic prying tool. I'm going to flip open that little clipper. The clipper has to flip open. Once it's open, you can slide out the LCD screen. Now the LCD screen here is under NV156 FHM-N4G. So I think this might be a compatible version, might not be the original of the screen here. I just want to point it out to you. But I'll link it down in the description below if you guys are interested to get it from either Amazon or eBay. I'll get the screen replacement link down in the description below. Okay, and let's see, let me see if move forward with this. Okay, all right, so I just checked in the back room. I do not have a replacement screen for this, which means that I need to special order it through either Amazon or eBay, and I'm not able to continue with the repair until the new screen comes in. So I wanted to kind of fast forward, give you an idea on how you can continue with the repair. So once you place an order for the screen, it comes in. All you have to do is just a reverse process of it to do the installation. But before you do that, you definitely need to buy one of this. This one here is a double-sided adhesive tape, which allows you to tape the screen just like that. So you can see that that tape right there is the double-sided adhesive tape, where you can tip it down and to hold the screen together. So what I'll do is I'll link it down in the description below. Okay, once you tape it in, you just have to peel that little tape away, and that should be able to tape the screen. It's very sticky, as you can see that I just press it down and I can lift the whole screen up. So I'll link it down in the description below, and you definitely need to buy one of these double-sided adhesive tape to get the computer fixed. All right, now reverse process is pretty easy. Install the 40-pin connector right here, slide it in. Once it's in, you just have to close the little clipper, close it down, get the tape, re-tape it back in, position the screen, and let it sit in the back of the cover. Now what you want to do is you just want to make sure that the screen is sitting at the very on top of this little gap here, that little leverage to hold the screen. So that would be the position for the screen to align with the bezel. So when you put the bezel back in, you would have the nice frame over that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then reconnect the battery and put all the screws back in. That should do it. So I apologize, I do not have the replacement screen in stock, which I cannot finish up the repair. I'm going to place an order for the client, and it may take about a couple days to get here. So but for your case, check the link down in the description below. I will link it to either Amazon or eBay, where you can find the screen as well as the tools and the double-sided adhesive tape to get this thing fixed up. And it shouldn't cost you more than, I don't know, maybe the time that you're watching this video, it shouldn't be more than $150. Okay, thanks for watching. Any question, comment down below. Please smash the like button. Haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Appreciate that, and I'd like to know whether you can fix the screen for yourself. Bye now.